We are in the new business division of Johnson Matthey, so that's the 5th division where all new businesses reside. So they're it's an incubator for new and upcoming technologies, and that's where we are. So we're alternative fuels, battery technologies. There's also fuel cell technologies that sit within our division and battery materials. What we actually offer is a hybrid building. So we've got both modern office facilities at the front of house. We've got customer-facing meeting rooms downstairs with a nice atrium and eating area, and we've got labs at the back and also a production facility. We've got very compressed timescales, which were really important that we hit because we're closing down other offices in order to get people into this facility. We had technology that we had to transfer, equipment that was on long-term test and materials that were long-term test that we could not interrupt, and we needed to make sure those timelines were hit. It was really important for us. We needed to do it in a safe way, and Officescape have got a really good history in delivering projects on time and to a very high standard with a high degree of personal safety.
We were given approximately 6 to 8 weeks notice of the job. That is from not knowing about it to essentially needing to be on site. This type of project is a good example of Officescape's expertise in the market, essentially. The great thing about working for JMBS is essentially that they are a team of very, very clever engineers, essentially. That's the background to really what forms their company. And the unique thing about that is they understand procedure, they understand process. So JMBS as an organisation, they have the ability to deliver complex projects very, very fast and successfully. And that basically has a direct mirror to Officescape's own abilities.
We had some challenges throughout that whole process. We had to get a whole eChem lab up and running. So that's a specialist facility with ovens and test equipment that we had to get up and running quickly so that we could transfer the technology from other parts of the business into it without any interruption. So I'd personally not used or had experience of working with Officescape before. Other parts of the business had and were very complementary. And I found them to be a very professional organisation, very safety focused, and have a huge amount of horsepower to get the job done in a very short amount of time.